Hi everyone, so today we're going to write a program to accept a number n and check whether it's a perfect number. So what's a perfect number? Perfect number is a number that is equal to the sum of its factors from 1 to n minus 1. So suppose 6, it has factors 1, 2 and 3 and the sum of its factors is 6. So 6 is a perfect number. Now let's start writing a program. So I take the input from the user, store it in a variable n which will be integer data type, bracket input, as it's my input statement, enter a number to prompt the user. Now sum is equals to 0 using the for loop for I in range bracket 1 comma n. So we're going to check the factors of the number n. If a condition statement n mod I, we're checking if the remainder is double equals to 0, then sum is equals to sum plus I. So the factor will be added in the variable sum. Now with the indentation of for loop, another if statement, if sum double equals to n, that means if sum is equals to the number, then print perfect number, else colon print not a perfect number. So that's our program. Let's try running it. So let's enter a random number 89, not a perfect number, and I know that 6 is a perfect number, so 6